Hey friends, welcome to a tower studio at Disney's Riviera Resort. Let's check out room number 8523. Alright, so I've backed myself here in a corner so that we can get a good panoramic view of the room. It definitely is bigger than I expected, but it is small. Obviously, this is a tower studio. It's meant to only sleep 2 people, but I think it's a good amount of space for those 2 people. So starting over here on the left-hand side, you have a good amount of storage. Down here is where the beverage cooler is. Let's take a look at that. Decent amount of room. I don't think that this is a freezer. I think this is just a dedicated beverage cooler. If it's not, let me know in the comments below. And we have our microwave, our extra pillow and blanket. And I love this, real silverware, real dishes. I love that little caddy right there. That's really, really cute. Toaster, some paper towels, more storage shelves. You've got the ice bucket and some real glasses. And some drawers. Actually good sized drawers, nice and deep. And then this is the Murphy bed that will pull out to a queen size bed. And the nice sofa. You've got 2 ottomans here. And I think that these flip out. Yep, so I pulled it out, and on the other side of that ottoman you have these storage trays or serving trays. Coming over here on the right hand side, there are more shelves to put stuff, a little desk area. You've got your coffee maker. Here are 2 other drawers, nice and deep. Here is the view, the lovely view of the parking lot, but still, we're in Disney, so is there really a bad view? I don't really think so. Coming over to underneath the TV, this little console area, there's definitely an area here that you could put your luggage. And then here is the gigantic bathroom. Let's start with the closet. A good amount of space here. Another pillow and blanket set. You've got a laundry basket if you're going to be doing laundry, and your luggage holder. A good amount of room. A couple of hooks on the wall for robes or towels. I'm in love with this shower. It's so beautiful in person. And there's a little seat in there. You've got your rain head shower and then your wand there as well. Just a really beautiful shower. Obviously the toilet for you to do your business. And a decent vanity, I would say. I'm not sure with 2 people if it's going to be large enough, but it is a good size. There is a little shelf. Hi. There is a little shelf there that you could put some stuff on if you wanted. The one thing is that the lighting is not the greatest in this room. This is the makeup mirror and it's pretty dim. So if someone was going to be putting on their makeup, I'm not really sure how they are going to go about doing that. And then the door closes. It's a little pocket door. So that's space saving as well. And then there is a full length mirror here as well. And the thermostat, interesting enough, it does not go lower than 68 degrees. I have not found that to be the case in other deluxe hotels, but it is what it is. Maybe it's because this is a tower studio and not a full-size villa, but that's important to know. I think that you can't get it lower than 68 degrees. And there is a shot of the room again. I'm going to go ahead and pull down the bed and I will show you what it looks like with everything all set up for sleeping. I love the darling children in this artwork. It's really beautiful. I haven't noticed this in other hotel rooms that have the Murphy beds, but there are little cutouts to put your phone. There's little charging outlets in there and like a bottle of water or something to act as nightstands because this room is so small. And you can see that there's still a decent amount of space to walk around. So definitely sufficient for 1 or 2 people. I'm going to pop that back up again. Let's go ahead and check out the balcony. And here is the cute little balcony. And right over there is Spaceship Earth. So I think that we might be able to see some fireworks from this view. Probably not any music or anything like that, but I can't complain about the view. I love the little hidden Mickeys in all of the ironwork. And then the Riviera insignia in the chairs, just really beautiful. All right, friends, that is a tour of the Tower Studio here at the Riviera Resort. More than enough room for 1 or 2 people. Obviously, they wouldn't even let you book this if it's more than 2 people because there definitely wouldn't be enough room. But my goodness, it actually is very cute. I love how little and romantic it is. If you stayed at this resort and stayed in one of these rooms, let me know in the comments below what you thought of the room. If you like this content and want to see more, make sure to hit like and hit that subscribe button, plus ring the bell so you're notified whenever we post new videos. That's going to do it for today. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you real soon. Bye, friends.